I'm Prerna Ahe. I like to share my experience with you guys. Few months ago, I was in a condition like whether to search for a job or do some online course. So I started searching in that direction because I had a huge maternity break like for 2 years. Prior to that, I was working with Capgemini and Eaton, and those organizations work as per the market standard. For that reason, I really need to upgrade my skills and work according to it. Then I got to know about this Meritorium Knowledge Academy, which was working in partnership with MCED. So I started searching about it, and I got to know that the course is a properly designed and a standardized approach. It is having a structured syllabus, and the syllabus it only matches with that of the IBM level. The course was really good. It started with proper inductions and all, and it was segregated in two different things, like a foundational thing as well as the ML part, machine learning. The foundational thing consists of all the statistics like distributions, probabilities, EDA, that is exploratory data analysis. Whereas in ML part, we had the machine learning, deep learning, we had some regressions like logistic regressions, linear regressions, we have PDA, we have clustering, we have K methods, K theorems, naive theorems. Along with that, they have also introduced some new concepts to us, that is NLP, natural language processing, as well as the neural networks, which were very new to us, but that was easily and made us understand in a very nice and a proper manner. Along with all these concepts, it was like a very nice understanding of Python programming language, which was very proper explained to us, like understanding those concepts along with the Python language. After that, we also got the opportunity to do some case studies with the help of our mentors as well as Meritorium coordinators, and it was really helpful for us because we got the opportunity to explore all the things in just one single place. Also with that, I really want to highlight one point is during the course tenure, they also introduced some motivational speakers just to boost our confidence, because course which they were like presenting to us was quite difficult. It is very huge and deep, and it's difficult to grasp all things in just one single go. So that was also a thing. There were few assignments, there were many things just to boost our confidence. Along with that, they also provided us some guest lectures. The guest lecturers and all were just to make us understand about the latest as well as the market standards. It was really good experience by learning all this concept with the help of Python and all. Last but not the least, the faculty which they provided us were very good. They were from a very profound background, like from MET, like IITs. Few were graduated from the universities of Australia as well as US. I really want to thank Mr. Jayant Ramteke sir. Because of him, it was not possible. The director of Meritorium Academy, he helped us through like all the difficult times, as well as thank you for all the mentors, and also thank you for all the MCED people who help us through this journey. Special thanks to Ashok sir as well as Sunil sir who helped us for clearing our basics as well as clearing ML path. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.